Hi everyone, this is our project TotalWare. Every day people download files without knowing if they are safe. TotalWare is a malware analysis platform that gives you a complete threat report in seconds. This is the interface of a project. From clicking here, you can select the file which you want to scan. When you select the file and you scan the file, this will start analyzing the file and this will have tons of metrics which have to be completed in order to scan the file. Now it is generating the AI conclusion right away and we'll get our results in just a few seconds. Yup. So now we get the results of a file. Since it is a malicious, dangerous file detected, it's detect completely and it says it's 100% risk. There's a risk calculator which calculates and throws out the result in the form of numbers. 100 mean it is completely malicious. Now we have used we have used 75 engines, out of which 9 engines have detected threat. Two dangerous permissions are in this file. There are 6 IOCs found and one YARA match has also happened. Now we have used the API. Groq is an AI assistant. We have used this in a project which tells us the AI analysis of the TotalWare intelligence. Now, if you want to vote that if this is malicious or if this is safe file, or if we have just concluded the file, or if there's a wrong output, then you can also vote in if this is malicious or safe. Just we have to log in first. Actually, I've logged in with the user 001, so there's no problem in that. Now we have the dynamic sandbox behavior. Now we have used the dynamic sandbox, which will be running after you are scanning the file, and this will give the results right away. Now we have used the geological map also. In this, it shows the location of the IPs from where the APK has published. We are also showing the relationship graph. This graph basically shows where or how the APIs of this particular APK is exposed and where this API has been used. Now there's some file information. Here's the name of the file. Here's the MD5. Here's the SHA1 code. There's the size of the file and everything about the file. Now this is an app information. App name is RTO Challan and package name of the app is listed here. The version is 2.21. Malware detection engines, as we stated above, that 9 engines have detected threat. Already we have used 75 engines overall, but only 9 engines have detected it. Malware Bazaar known sample DB. We have used not in malware database. There's no malware database used here. And now the network IOCs and C2 servers. This all are the exposed URLs on which this API is running. Now dangerous permissions. There are some dangerous permissions here listed. Now all requested permissions are listed here. You can check out the permissions. Certificate forensics. This is a self-signed certificate. Repacking and tampering. Suspicious API calls behaviors. API identity check. There's a Mitre attack techniques. There are 3 techniques used. Embedded secret and credentials. This one is interesting because here, if this particular the APK, if it has used some open APIs or passwords that would have listed here. Apparently, it has not used anything here, but if it would have used, that would have listed here. This is the YARA rule matches, that RTO Chalan fake app. And then entropy analysis. This is the entropy score. We gave it out of 10. And this is a score. Generally, if you are above 7 or 7.5, there's a high possibility that the file is malicious. Now you can download the HTML report as well as you can copy the JSON. Let me check it out. Yes, the file has been downloaded and this is the HTML report. So it's have all the information that we have just seen on our main interface. Now we can close this. There's one more interesting thing on the project is that when you're logged in, actually this is a demo user, you can create teams and you can create your own team and you can and the scanning of the file will be there with each member of the team. You don't have to individually scan the file. Now, if I go to new scan again, there's history. We can check the history. Every time you log in, you will be having your history. There's one history because there's a new user, but if you're an existing user, your overall history will be displayed here. Now, if I go to the main interface again, and now if you want to use the TotalWare project, you can easily use this with generating a key. This will be an API key. This you can use this key in your project, and you can use the TotalWare API. Now, if I go to again to the interface and I open the doc section, this doc section allows you out all the rules and all the steps are listed here how you can use our API, the TotalWare API, in your project. Now I can again go to the main interface. Now we can log out from here, and if you log out, then you have the option to log in as well as sign up. So this is overall our project. Thank you for thank you for watching, and you can find a source code on the GitHub.